This is your first class test. Your first question is what is drive equation for liability? Your second question is what is basic equation for asset? Your third question is what is drive equation for capital? Your fourth question is what are the objectives of accounting? Explain the rule of debit and credit. What is asset and write its name? What is expense? Name the nature of account which increases when debited. Name the nature of account which increases when credited. What is the accounting process steps? What is the another name of accounting process steps? Write the nature of building, equipment, stock and rent due. Write few names of current liabilities. What is basic equation for revenue? What is another name of capital? Then this is your question number 16. You have to fill the values A, E, then question mark. You have to write it down what you have learned from the class L, C, R. This is your question number 16. In this you have to write it down question number 16 and then put the values. The most easiest question. Then we have question number 17 and 18. First three nature of accounts which I discussed with you by the terminology dealer, DEALER. The first three letter explains you dash. आपको इसका abbreviation लिखना है यहाँ पे. And your question number 18, the last three letters LER, you have to write it down the abbreviation of LER over here. Yes, I proceed. This is your question number 19. This is a box and you have to write it down the values, missing values. You have to fill this form. Make this form in your registers on your test sheets and then fill this form. I proceed further. Now this is your question number 20. This is accounting question. Asset is equals to question mark plus capital. You have to fill the value which is missing over here. It is the most easiest question. We have done so many things related to this question. Write the proper number of the question also so that I can check. This is your question number 21. Again related to accounting question. Capital is equals to dash minus liabilities. You have to write it down the value for the question mark. Just write it down the value, the answer. The 21 is having the answer 10,000. So just write it down the appropriate answer. Don't write the complete equation. I proceed. In question number 22, we have values like cash 25,000, bank 65,000, furniture 105,000, liabilities 100,000. Now you have to calculate the capital. I proceed. This is your question number 23, in which we have revenue minus expenses is equals to profit and loss. Revenue minus expense is 120,000 is equals to 30,000. What will be the value for revenue? You just need to write appropriate answer. I proceed further. This is your question number 24. The five major accounts are as follows. You have to write it down these blanks and fill the values with the appropriate nature of accounts. This is your question number 25. Debit comes from the word dash, meaning what is due, and credit comes from dash word, which means something entrusted to another or a loan. You have to write it down their Latin word. The debit comes from the dash word and credit comes from the dash Latin word. That's all for today. Thank you, girls. This is your complete